Well, I finally broke the code for making these fingers, that they go together properly.
Hey, hey, Dad, what are you working on there?
I'm working on 8 finger joint boxes,
Oh, yeah, 8 of them.
and it's turned into quite a production exercise.
Yeah, that's a lot of work. Well, look I was working on a box too. I built this box here. Look familiar?
Yeah, it sure does.
What is it?
Well, it looks like a copy of my father's box that he made as an apprentice cabinet maker.
That's right. It's right back here. It's been in the shop for the past 6 years. We've had this underneath here, and it's kind of inspired all of us. It's my grandfather's, your father's old toolbox. Yeah?
I used it myself for 50 years.
50 years? So
50 years.
This is an old box.
You're right, it's over 100 years old.
Well, it's still working pretty well. So we built this newer version of it, and we had a lot of fun building it. We used old square cut nails and the way he would have done it as an apprentice.
Looks great.
Yeah.
Now, one of these days, you'll advance to something like this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
It's pretty nice. This is cherry.
There's a copy of it in cherry.
Yeah? You made this?
I made 2 of them for the ladies in the family for Christmas present.
Wow. It's beautiful.
It is, and they loved it.
Okay, well, how old are you anyway?
I'm 97.
97. So
Yeah.
I got a few years to graduate from the apprentice one to build one out of cherry here.
Yes, and you'll need all the time you can get.
Okay. All right. Well, on today's show, we built this toolbox, and I hope you got a lot of good tips. And if you'd like to get more free video tips and printable tips from the editors of Woodsmith Magazine, just go to our website, sign up for the free weekly e-tip at woodsmithshop.com.
Woodsmithplans.com. Hundreds of professional, high-quality woodworking plans right at your fingertips. Every single plan is presented as an easy-to-download digital package that includes pages of step-by-step instructions, full-color photos, illustrations, and exploded views, retail sources for hardware and supplies, plus a cutting diagram and materials list. Many plans offer handy video overviews and guides. Plus, we're proud to offer our plans in both standard and metric. Everything is here, from gorgeous heirloom furniture projects to handy shop projects and upgrades, clever, cost-effective storage solutions, as well as weekend projects and accessories that are great for gifts. All fully searchable and categorized for easy browsing. Woodsmithplans.com, everything you need for building fine woodworking projects.